Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Toga brother, Sean. You guys already know that, but it's my standard greeting. Hey guys, I'm at work, got my radio, got my hearing protection. I want to show you something really cool. This is an up close and personal view of the livery. This is a retro livery, guys. It's an Airbus 320, okay? This Airbus 320 is one of the very few that's painted this way. In fact, it might be the only one painted this way. Alright? So I'm going to show you some pretty cool parts of this. The end of the wingtips are red, white, and blue. You'll see a pretty common theme here, so you can figure it out. Look at the tail. Red, white, and blue. 3 stars. That's the registration number if you guys want to track it. Okay? The A320 Friendly Skies. Red, white, and blue. Now, I'm actually here to tell you that it looks the same on the other side. Alright? But yeah, guys, this is one of our liveries. This is the Friendly Skies Retro United livery for the Airbus 320. Alright? Pretty cool. Now, it's an up close and personal view of this. There's the top too. Pretty cool, huh? And of course, you guys got the nose. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Glad I could show you. Stick around, I'll show you guys some more. Alright, take care. Bye.